Trade Safe Nation, what is good? What is good? Coming on here to give you a little bit of story time and a little bit of wisdom on this beautiful Friday morning. It is a beautiful, beautiful day in Zamunda. If you know where that's from, leave it in the comments, right? It's a beautiful day in Zamunda. So, guys, remember, Trade Safe, the community, the live trading, it's officially free. I made it free for everyone. Link is in the description, right? So today is all about luck or hard work, right? In trading. Luck and hard work. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about my luck, about the crazy luck that I had when I first started trading, right? Guys, I was having ridiculous luck. Like, when I tell you the most ridiculous luck when I started trading, that I simply thought it was like a cheat. Like, I thought it was like a cheat code, right? Like I thought it was too easy, right? It was too easy. And it's funny because
use the right lane to take the exit onto Northwest 17th Avenue toward Ballpark.
There's a curve, right? There's like I forgot the name of the curve. There's this chart, right, that shows you basically a learning curve, right? And the learning curve basically goes like this. You start here and you automatically shoot up, right? You automatically shoot up, and then
take the exit, then keep right onto Northwest 17th Avenue South toward Ballpark.
So we're gonna get to that. So guys, when I first started trading, I was literally, and listen to this.
Use the right lane to keep right onto Northwest 17th Avenue South toward Ballpark.
I would look at the chart. I would pick a pair, because I started out trading Forex. I would pick a pair. I would look at the little numbers, whatever number it was, and if I saw the numbers, I would click it. And it was like an intuitive thing. If I saw the number just going a couple ticks up or a couple ticks down, I would take my buy or my sell. That was it. That was it, guys. That was it. I would take my trade, and guys, I would be in fucking profit. I would be in profit. Like, and sometimes I would forget about the trade. And remember, mind you, this was all a demo, right? Which, you know, like, it doesn't matter. Like, if you call a wrong trade on a demo, you're going to be in the negative. Like, just because you have a demo account, a lot of people think like, oh, well, you're trading demo. Guys, let me tell you something, that on a demo,
in about 1 mile, turn left onto Southwest 5th Street.
On a demo account, you can still take a negative trade. That's like the dumbest shit, right? Like, now, psychology, when it comes to playing with real money, that you know, is a different story. But actually taking a right or a wrong trade is still valid, right, on a demo account. Like, just because you're on a demo doesn't mean you're gonna press something and it's automatically gonna put you into profit. So anyway, going back to my strategy, to this luck strategy that I had, I would put it, and guys, and sometimes I would forget about it. I'd close the app, and like I'd come back a couple days later, and I'd be like $20,000 in profit or something like that, guys. And it was just ridiculous, because like, what the hell is that, right? Like, price can have like a momentary like up, like, just because it's like, you know, that's just what it's doing, and just because it did that doesn't mean that that's the direction it's going. So like, that is the luck that I was having, right? Literally. And even when I started playing with real money, I would still do that. I would kind of copy that thing, and I was winning. But then it stopped working, right? And this is the whole thing of where markets shift. And what's working right now isn't always going to work. So I started to lose, right? And then I really started to see that, and this was part of the growth curve we just talked about. This was where I just started to go on the decline. And then I started to see that this is not it. Like, I actually started to think like, no, okay, well, this is a fucking scam now. Because when I was making money, it wasn't a scam. When I was losing, it was a fucking scam. And it really didn't make sense, guys. And nothing made sense, right? Nothing made sense. So, you know, essentially, I kept trading, and listen, I had lost a lot of money because I gave it to somebody to trade with. So I said, well, I mean, there's no giving up now. I need my money back. I need my money back, period. This is not a discussion. I'm gonna do this. So I put my nose in the books, and I really, I started studying everything that I could.
Stay in the left lane.
And I say this to say that, guys, because keep in mind the 10,000 hour rule, right? The 10,000 hour rule, guys, which is, wait 1 second. I think I have to make a left here. Yeah. Which is that to master something, you need 10,000 hours. And let me go tell a little story about this guy who was climbing a mountain, right? He climbed the mountain, he got to the top of the mountain, and he sees a rock, right? And it has a hole in it. There's a big hole in it, right? And he looks up, and all he sees was this drop, right? These few drops, actually. And the drops, now going right through the hole. So, he goes back and he's talking to a monk, and the monk simply tells him, look, that hole was created over time, over many, many years of this water, simple water, just dropping on this rock, okay? And the whole thing here, the purpose of this video is that if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, if you've been trading for 2 years, you have seen no progress, guys, this is your journey. This is your tuition that you are paying. If you are sticking to this, I promise you, and I know everyone says this, I promise you, you will get it, man. You will get it. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. You will get.
Stay in the right 2 lanes.
Okay? Like, the only thing is, it's going to take time. There are nuances.
In half a mile, turn right onto Southwest 12th Avenue.
There are little discrepancies that you will see with time, with more than just 2 years. You need 10,000 hours, right? 10,000 hours. And that is, unfortunately, we only have so many hours in a day. So if you divide that, that's like 4 or 5 years before you truly, fully become profitable or comfortable with your psychology, all of that good stuff, right? So just keep that, what I just said, in mind.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
It takes time and the maximum amount of effort, right? And grit and being relentless, and you have to be this individual, guys. And if you can do this, you will transform yourself as an individual into many other areas in your life, which is the greatest thing about trading, is that it helps you transform you as an individual into a different person. It literally makes you a different person. So guys, I hope
at the light, turn right onto Southwest 12th Avenue, then turn right onto Southwest 4th Street.
Fucking GPS. I hope this helps. Hope you guys have an amazing, amazing weekend. Remember, trade safe, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till the next time, till the next video. Peace.